Hi everyone! Sa video ito, talakayin natin kung paano hanapin yung equation of the circle given some condition. Okay? So, always remember, ang equation of the circle in standard form is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. So, our h and k, that is the center of the circle. So, h, k. Okay, so we have example number 1. So the center of the circle at -2, -3, and a point 1, 1 on the circle. Okay, so the center of the circle is -2, -3, and a point on the circle, and a point 1, 1 on the circle. So here, so if we're going to plot, so this is the -2, -3, and 1, 1 is also here. So this is our circle. So if we're going to use the formula x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared, uh, we don't have a radius yet on the given situation. So we have already the center. So this one, that is our h, k, and r is unknown. So we need to find first what is r. So since given the 2 points, so we're going to define the distance of the center and a point on the circle. So we're going to use r is equal to the square root of x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared. Okay, so this is our x, and this is our y, this is our h, and this is our k. Okay, so substitute now in the formula. So our x is 1 minus -2 quantity squared plus y is 1 minus k is -3 squared. Okay, then let's simplify. 1 plus 2. So, -1, minus -2, 1, minus -2, that is equivalent to plus quantity squared plus minus -3. So, this will become 1 plus 3 quantity squared. So, this is equivalent now to 3 squared plus 4 squared. 3 squared, that is 9. 4 squared, that is 16. So, this is square root of 25. So, our R is 5. Square root of 25 is 5. So, this is now our radius. So, we can now substitute now on the given in our formula. Okay? So, our h is -2 and k is -3. So, let's substitute also in the formula. So, the equation now will become x minus -2 quantity squared plus y minus -3 quantity squared is equal to 5 squared. Okay, let's simplify. Minus negative, that is plus. So, x plus 2 quantity squared plus minus -3, that will become positive 3. So, y plus 3 quantity squared is equal to 25. So, this is now the equation of the circle that satisfies to this given condition. Okay, let's have another example. Example number 2. Endpoints of diameter -4, 1 and 2, 5. So, this is our endpoint. -4, 1. Okay, -4, 1. And 2, 5, 2, 5. Okay, so this is the endpoint of our diameter. So, diameter is twice of the radius. So, yung midpoint nila, yun yung magiging center. So, kung titignan natin sa graph, ang midpoint agad nito ay negative 1, 3. Okay? So, kung titignan lang natin dito, ang midpoint natin ay negative 1, 3. So, yun yung magiging center ng circle natin. But we can also solve that by using the midpoint formula. Okay, midpoint. So, midpoint is using the two ordered pairs to determine the midpoint between the 2 points. Okay, so the formula is x sub 1 plus y plus x sub 2 over 2 plus y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So, ito ang ating x sub 1, y sub 1. Ito naman ang x sub 2, y sub 2. So, kung gagamitin natin dito sa formula, ang midpoint natin ay magiging negative 4 plus 2 over 2. Ito pala comma, hindi plus, sorry. This is ordered pair. Y sub 1 is 1 plus y sub 2 is 5 over 2. Okay, negative 4 plus 2, that is negative 2 over 2. 1 plus 5, that is 6 over 2. Let's simplify. Negative 2 over 2, that is 1. 6 over 2, that is 3. So that will be the midpoint. So we can use now this as the center of the circle. Another problem, we don't have yet radius here. So what is the distance from the center to a point on the circle? So we can use 2, 5 as our point. So we're going to find the radius, the distance between the center and a point on the circle, using the formula r is equal to the square root of x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared. So our x here, the point here, that is 2, 5, and our hk is the center. So we have 2 minus, 2 minus negative 1, magiging plus 1 na siya. Quantity squared plus y, 5, minus 3, quantity squared. So, okay, magtaka kung plus na agad ginawa ko dito kasi negative 1 yon, minus negative 1 is positive 1 ang mangyayari. So, square root. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, 3 yan. 3 squared, so that is 9. So, 9 na ang sulat natin. Plus, here, 5 minus 3, that is 2. 2 squared, that is 4. Plus 4. So, our radius is square root of 13. So, we have now the center and the radius. So, let's substitute now in the equation or the formula of our equation. X minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. X minus h, that is minus 1. Quantity squared plus y minus k, so minus 3. This is negative 1. Negative 1, negative 1. Our center is negative 1. So this should be plus 1. Y minus 3 quantity squared is equal to square root of 13 squared. So x plus 1 quantity squared plus y minus 3 quantity squared is equal to 13. So let's cancel the square root and square. So this is the final answer. So this is the equation of the circle that satisfies to this condition. So I hope you learned something. So I hope you can share this video to your classmates, to those who are senior high school. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and of course to my Facebook page, Sir Orio. Thank you and God bless to everyone.